Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Students, in the previous video I have forgot to told you to highlight the definitions of coefficients, algebraic expressions, linear and non-linear algebraic expressions. So highlight all these four definitions for your fill in the blanks or for your MCQs, right? Okay, let's start our today's lesson, that is about the evaluation of algebraic expressions. Evaluation means to calculate the exact value of an algebraic expression, right? You can see the definition here. Evaluating an algebraic expression means finding the value of the expression when the variable take on certain values, or simply evaluating an algebraic expression means to calculate one exact value of the given expression. Students, as we have discussed in our previous lesson, that the variables can change their values, right? Their values are not fixed. We can use variables to represent any number from your natural numbers, right? So when we will evaluate the value of an algebraic expression, we will give some appropriate or some certain values to the variables. We will put that values in our algebraic expression and we will calculate the exact value of our given algebraic expression. So first, highlight or underline the definition of evaluation. Evaluating an algebraic expression means to calculate one exact value of the given expression, Now, consider some linear expression x minus 2. The expression takes different values of x. If we replace x with 2, then its value will be equal to 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. If we will give the value 4, x is equal to 4, then its answer will be equal to, or its exact value after evaluation will be equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. If we will give x a value 6, then its will be equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, right? Students, when you will evaluate an expression, the values of the variables will be given in your question. What you have to do, you just have to replace the variables with their given values and you will calculate your answer, right? Let's solve two examples. Okay, now you can see here your question is given that x is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 3. Evaluate each of the following expressions. First one is 3x minus 2. How we will evaluate 3x minus 2? Students, as I have told you that you have to replace the variable. आपको क्या करना है? आपने replace करना है. आप variable और उसकी वैल्यू को एट अ टाइम नहीं लिख सकते. आपके क्वेश्चन में सबसे पहले आपको देखना है x इज इक्वल टू 5 गिवन है और y इज इक्वल टू माइनस 3 गिवन है, राइट? सो यू कैन जस्ट राइट द वेरिएबल और यू कैन राइट इट्स वैल्यू. यू कैन नॉट राइट दीज टू एट द सेम टाइम. Here you can see your expression is 3x minus 2y. So, how we can calculate its value? You all know 3x means, as I have told you in the previous lesson, 3x means it's 3 times x. 3x means it's 3 times x, that it's the product of 3 and x. 3 और x क्या हो रहे हैं? आपस में मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं, ठीक है? सो हम क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पे? 3 as it is. We will use a multiply sign here, right? Then we will write the value of the variable. What's the value of x? Its value is 5, right? Minus 2 as it is. As 3x is equal to 3 times x, so 2y will be equal to 2 times y, right? So again we will write a multiply symbol here, right? And the value of the variable, that is y minus 3. We can use bracket here because it's a negative, right? It's a negative value. Or you can also use brackets for these values, right? आप मल्टीप्लाई के साइन के साथ भी यूज कर सकते हैं और आप इसको ब्रैकेट के साथ भी यूज कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इन इंटीजर्स दैट ब्रैकेट मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई, ब्रैकेट मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई, राइट? सो यू कैन यूज अ मल्टीप्लाई सिंबल और you can use brackets. It's better if you do it like this. Okay, now bracket means multiply. So 3 5s are 15. Now you can see here we have two negative symbols. 2 3s are 6, and by the multiplication of integers we know that minus and minus plus. ठीक है, minus और minus plus and 2 3s are 6, right? Now 15 plus 6 is equal to 21. This is our required answer or the exact value of the given algebraic expression. Look the example again. What we have done, we have just replaced the variable with its value. आपको क्वेश्चन में जो भी वैल्यू गिवन होगी x और y की या किसी भी वेरिएबल की, आपने क्या करना है, अपने सिर्फ वेरिएबल को उसकी वैल्यू से रिप्लेस कर देना है. अगेन रिमेंबर, यू कैन राइट ओनली वन थिंग एट अ टाइम, द वेरिएबल और इट्स वैल्यू, राइट? देन multiply, minus or minus plus, add, and you will get your answer, right? Now let's solve its second part, that is 2y over 3x. Again you will write 2, use bracket for multiplication. Value of y is given the same value, that is negative 3. We will use the same value again because it's the part of that same question, ठीक है? Then over 3, again bracket for multiplication, and again the same value, x is equal to 5 here, right? So 3 into 5. Now as you can see, here is only one negative symbol, so we will write minus. 2 3s are 6, 3 5s are 15 because bracket means multiply, right? 6 over 15. Can we simplify this fraction? Yes, we can, because 6 and 15 both are divisible by 3, right? 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. So negative 2 over 5 is your answer, right? Understood? Okay students, hope you have understood the procedure, and now you can solve the questions given on page number 21 and 22 of your booklets, right? Page number 21 and 22 of your booklets. If you face any difficulty in the solution, you can contact me. Okay, thank you, take care, Allah Hafiz.